Ever built a balance sheet that balances for 1 year, but the moment you switch to the next year, it breaks? That's exactly what's happening here in 2024 and 2025. My assets don't equal liabilities plus equity. Let me show you why. The culprit is retained earnings. Most people mistakenly link it to this year's net profit only, but retained earnings is cumulative. To fix this, I built a simple lookup table. The first column is for year. The next column is for opening retained earnings, and the last column is for closing retained earnings. Each year's opening equals last year's closing, and each year's closing equals opening plus net profit. Finally, link your balance sheet to this table using a VLOOKUP on the selected year. Our table array is the lookup table I created. Our index column is 2, the opening retained earnings, and we want an exact match, so false. Now watch. 2023 balanced, 2024 balanced, and 2025 balanced. Problem solved. So remember, retained earnings isn't just this year's profit, it's a running total. Get this right and your balance sheet will always balance.